Welcome to JH. Today, we are going to show you how to seamlessly link your Notion workspace with Google Calendar. This is an excellent way to stay organized by keeping all your tasks and events in one central location. In just about 5 minutes, you will master the integration of these two powerful tools, which will help boost your daily productivity and simplify your entire scheduling process. Let's get started immediately. First, navigate to Google Calendar by searching for it online or using a saved bookmark. Once the calendar loads, go ahead and select the week of September 15th, 2024, so you can see your weekly layout clearly. On the left-hand side of the screen, locate your calendar list and find the 3 vertical dots next to your specific calendar's name. Click those dots to open a submenu, and then select the Settings and Sharing option to move to the next step. Inside the Settings menu, you will need to scroll down a bit to find the section for access permissions. Look for the option to make your calendar public. This is a critical step because Notion needs permission to view your events. Once you have checked the box to enable this, click OK to confirm your choice. Now, let's switch over to the Notion side. Visit the Notion website and sign into your account. If you are a first-time user, you can use the Continue with Google button for a very fast setup. Simply choose your Google account to enter your dashboard. Once you are in Notion, decide where you want to place your calendar. You can use an existing page or just create a brand new one. To start the embedding process, click on an empty block and type /embed. This will bring up the embed block option, which you should click. In the window that pops up, paste the private URL for your Google Calendar. You should have this link ready from your calendar's settings page. After pasting it, click the Embed Link button to complete the process. Notion will then load and display your Google Calendar right there in the block. You have now successfully connected your Google Calendar with Notion, giving you a centralized platform for all your planning needs. Remember that you can always add more calendars or tweak your settings to fit your workflow. This setup is designed to make your digital workspace as efficient as possible. Thank you for following this tutorial. Feel free to experiment with your new setup and enjoy your newly integrated workspace. Happy planning!